Hey there, happy Friday. Today we're going to be learning about some famous people in the Texas Revolution. Okay, I want you to take a look at today's agenda. We've got 14 important people, and you are going to summarize them using one sentence per person. There's an example on the last slide of how to summarize the importance of to the Texas Revolution. So let's take a look at the two options that you have, okay? If you have a printer, you can print the template located inside of Schoology. It's just down here. It's the people of the Texas Revolution. Nope, I'm sorry, it's Practice It, the worksheet template right here that my cursor is on. If you can print that, and you can write all of your information on there. If you don't have access to a printer, you need your notebook, okay? On the next blank page, all you're going to do is title it Important People of the Texas Revolution. When you're finished, you need to take a picture of your work and send it to me in a message in Schoology just so that I can give you a daily grade on it, all right? So pause this video, either print it right now or go ahead and get your journal. Okay. Hopefully you have printed or you have your journal. I want to just give you, okay? So, number one, here's the directions as you learn about the famous people of the Texas Revolution. Write a one sentence summary, just like I told you in the previous slide. How are you going to learn about these people? Well, right here. Take a look. I'm going to open this up for you. Under Learn It, People of the Texas Revolution. There are going to be some very short bios for all 14 people right here. So starting with James Fannin, going all the way down to, see who our last person is, I don't even remember. All the way down to Ruz, okay, Jose Ruz. There will be 14 blanks on your printout. If you don't have a printout again, use your journal. You can number it 1 through 14. Let's take a look at the rest of the slides, and right here, here's your example, okay? So for James Fannin, actually, I would like to even shorten that. You can just say, I commanded the Presidio of La Bahia and Goliad, where my men and I were captured and executed by Mexican forces. I am James Fannin, okay? So if you're writing this into your journal, write it this way also. You can take a look at the example, the template example, just to give you some ideas of how to write it in your journal. But this is an example straight from that template, okay? On the very last section, you're going to award one Medal of Honor, okay? So there's 5 Medal of Honors at the very bottom. You don't have to award 5, you just award 1, okay? Just like my example on the previous slide, I selected James Fannin for the award, just because that's the guy that we're sticking with right now. You don't have to award him the award. Pick the one that you like the best, okay? Pick the one that stands out most to you, all right? So it says that the Purple Heart is given to a soldier who are wounded or killed in battle. Okay, I gave this to James Fannin because he was executed and killed by the Mexican army. The examples that I put in here were commander, commitment, and soldier. Okay, and then at the very bottom, I drew, or I put a picture of the Republic of Texas flag, because ultimately that's what he was fighting for, and so that represents him well. It says your medals need to have the name of the soldier and 3 reasons why he earned it on the ribbon. Draw a picture in the center to represent him or the event, all right? As always, you guys, if you have any questions whatsoever about this lesson or about what you're supposed to do, send me a quick message in Schoology. I usually reply very quickly. Hope you guys are doing well. I miss seeing your faces in my class, and I hope you have a very restful and great weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.